Wave text effect Alight motion. Quick disclaimer. You need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open the Alight motion application on your device. Once the home screen appears, tap the Create New Project button to start a new project. A project settings window will appear where you can customize. Then press Create Project to enter the editing workspace. Inside the project, tap the plus button located near the bottom of the screen. From the menu, select Text to create a new text layer. Once the text box appears, type the text that you want to animate. After entering your text, adjust the text alignment to match your preferred layout. Then open the font menu and choose a font that suits your design. Next, adjust the size of the text so it is clearly visible within the project. You can also open the color settings and select any color you would like to use. When your text is ready, select the text layer and open the Effects menu. Press Add Effect to access the effect browser. Within the effect browser, locate the distortion and warp category and open it. Scroll through the available effects until you find Wave Warp. Tap on Wave Warp to apply it to your text layer. After selecting the effect, adjust the flag wave, left preset. Once the preset has been applied, return to the effect settings by opening the Wave Warp effect. Here you can customize the animation to better fit your style. Adjust the available settings until you achieve the look you want. As you adjust the settings, preview the animation by pressing the play button. This allows you to see how the wave effect looks in motion and helps you determine whether any further adjustments are needed. Continue refining the effect until you are satisfied with the final result. After completing these steps, you have now successfully created a wave text effect in Alight motion.